Hi there, in this quick video we will be adding the cover of the passenger footwell on a Ford C-Max from 2011. Why this car is missing it, I have no clue. Maybe not all of them have it, who knows. This is the code for it, and I think this is the code for these little guys. If not, I will put it on video. So let's rip into this. This is a left-hand drive car, and make sure we have a cover in here, because I don't like to have bare wires that can be easily hit with your feet. Doesn't make sense to me. So hopefully we bought the right part, because it was a pain to find the proper code for this thing. Okay, I think. Oh, how do? This should be the orientation. Probably it somehow fits in there. Yeah, it does fit in there. And is this not original? Doesn't seem to be letting me do what I need to do. It's extremely stiff. That's interesting. Yeah, that seems to be factory. I cannot really move it, so let's see now that I moved that little guy just a little bit up. I think we can do it now. Camera, please focus. Tiny bit. Seems to be staying a little bit weird. I need to try and put it a bit better in place. I think it also locks in here. Yeah, I need to to make sure I put it properly in place. That thing is not letting it go up. But why? Why is that so low? What happened here? Finally in place. I just wiggled it around until it went where it should be. And now let's lock this thingies. I think you just push them. Yeah, you literally just push them. And if you want them out, you squeeze them and they release. So there's that. Anyway, where's the second one? This one is also locked. No more gaping hole in there. That's a bit better. Camera focus, maybe. And we still have access to our footwell light, so that's not affected. Still have access to our vent in here, that's also not affected. Yeah, this is quite flimsy, honestly. In my Audi they are way sturdier, but yeah, it does what it needs to do. It closes up this little thing right here. So yeah, there's that. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.